My name's Akhil, I'm the owner and the founder of the Regius Cigar Company. And today we're going to be smoking and tasting the new Reserva, which just came out in the UK market. This cigar is available in 3 vitolas. We've got the Robusto, the Wide Churchill and the Toro. I've gone for slightly bigger ring gauges in these cigars because it really allows the filler to express itself a bit more. You're getting more filler as opposed to wrapper and binder. And in terms of the differences, I'd say the Robusto is probably the most intense, got more sweetness to it, more of that sort of almonds, cacao nibs, vanilla taste, and the Wide Churchill is probably the most floral of the 3. This cigar is, I would say, more complex than the Serie Limitado or the Regius Black Label, and the reason is that it's sort of designed to be aged. It really develops, you know, with 6 months or a year of aging, it develops a really complex honey characteristic to it, some dried fruits, and it just becomes a lot more complex, the way it's blended and the way it's rolled. So I think this is arguably the most complex cigar I've ever made. What I wanted to achieve with this is something slightly different to the other cigars I make, which are great cigars out of the box. This is very, very good, but I feel like it will get even better. And I think that there's only certain things that can be achieved with blending tobacco. Time is really the thing that takes it to another dimension. So this is my sort of take on a kind of product that I think in a few years could become a vintage, you know, a real nice vintage cigar. And the tobacco is blended like that, where, you know, the oils and what it will lose in that strength, it will make up for in flavour, and it will just become more rounded, and it'll become a slightly different cigar, a different experience, and that's my aim with this, something slightly different to what I've done so far.